Now the truth is clear to see, the final end of what we used to be. Yet here I stand, completely on my own, my heart entangled in a trap alone. I cry out to the heavens above, I cannot walk away without your love. You are the anchor of my hope, my dear, my only one. I need you near. I love you more than words can say. Though we are drifting miles and miles away, I weep and plead for affection true. Just grant me one more chance with you to pour out all my love on you. The sweet, beautiful dreams we used to weave, and all the thoughts I still believe. I felt you hold me close and tight, embracing me into the night. But then I wake to find it's gone, just a fleeting dream at dawn, leaving only tears that flow. I cry out to you, soft and low, my precious one. I long to be sure, is your entire heart mine, completely pure? My darling, you are where my hopes reside. I love you more than words can say. Though we are drifting miles and miles away, I weep and plead for affection true. Just grant me one more chance with you to pour out all my love on you. Please remember me when day is done. My sweet beloved, my heart's desire, please hold my memory through the fire.